Hi, how are you feeling today? I think you already know that the world does not stop when you close your eyes. And it is a terrifying thought, yet it is the only truth that can save you. Let's talk about it. Welcome to Metaphora, learning English with calm listening. We live in a culture that treats exhaustion like a trophy. We wear dark circles under our eyes like medals of honor, and we speak about being busy as if it is a synonym for being important. People often believe that every second not spent producing something is a second wasted. But this is a big lie. It is a quiet and persistent lie that follows us from the moment we wake up until the moment we collapse.
Deep down, you might feel the weight of the world like pressing down on your shoulders. Or you might hear the constant ticking of a clock in the back of your mind. But did you know that it tells you that you are falling behind? And it tells you that someone else is working harder, running faster, or achieving more. This internal voice is a thief. It steals your peace, and it convinces you that your worth is tied to your output. If you are not doing, you are failing. This logic is flawed. You are a human being, and you are not a machine designed for endless cycles of labor.
Your body knows the truth long before your mind is willing to admit it. It speaks to you in a language of subtle signs. It starts with a slight heaviness in your limbs, and it moves to a fog that settles over your thoughts. You find yourself staring at a screen for an hour without processing a single word. You become irritable over small things. A dropped spoon feels like a tragedy. Like a slow internet connection feels like a personal attack. You know what? These are not character flaws. It can be some of your system's distress signals because your system is overtaxed. It's even begging for a pause. Many people view rest as a luxury. They treat it like a reward that must be earned through suffering. They think they can only sit down once the list of the work is finished. But the problem is that the list is never finished. Life is an infinite scroll of tasks and expectations. Because if you wait for the perfect moment to stop, you will wait until you break. Breaking is not the same as resting. Breaking is a forced shutdown. It is painful. And it takes much longer to recover from a collapse than it does to prevent one. So listen to the signals. When your head feels heavy, you can lay it down. When your eyes burn, close them. And when your heart feels crowded, seek out solitude. Do not wait for permission from anyone else. They are all just as tired as you are. They are all waiting for someone to lead the way. Be the person who shows them that it is okay to stop. Be the person who proves that rest is not a sin. It is a necessity. And that's all for today. See you next time.